What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Gardener Red. And today, I'm going to teach you how much produce you can grow on your front porch. Yeah, buddy, check out these tomato plants. This right here is a clone I put in the ground. Well, I put in this pot about 2 weeks ago. And this right here is a cabbage plant I planted the same day. Looking pretty good. I actually got this plant from Ace Hardware. They were giving away all their old plants that had withered up and pretty much they thought were dead over the hot days of the summer. So I got this plant right here for free. I actually got both of these plants for free. If you learn how to clone tomato plants, it's really simple. You watch my how to grow a tomato plant in a bottle of water video. Check that out. You can learn that real quick. Right here I have I believe these are green onions or chives. I planted these last year. I forgot to stick the packaging right there so I can remember which one they were. Right here I have another cabbage head that I got from Ace Hardware. This is another smaller one. I put these in the ground the same day, but like I said, I got those for free. They were all pretty much stunted because they were pretty much withered up and died. And put those in the ground about 2 weeks ago. This tomato plant right here I planted about 3.5 weeks ago. Yeah, buddy, it's looking good, man. Looking real good. Right here, if you check this out, if you check out my how to grow tomato plant in a water bottle video, I was talking about what an internode is and a growing shoot node is. And basically this right here is a flowering node, and the one you just saw is a growing shoot node. The one you just saw is the one you actually want to clone off of. So that's that tomato plant right there, and these are German heirloom tomatoes. It's a indeterminate variety. Here I have some parsley that I planted about 1.5 weeks ago, so it's coming up nice. Over here I have another cabbage head, so hopefully I get 4 heads of cabbage out of this. Have another tomato plant that I put in the same day as the other one, another heirloom German tomato. And this right here is one of the problems you're gonna have with your container garden if you're not constantly keeping an eye on the water level. It's called blossom end rot. What happens is basically the plant or the media gets so dry that the plant can't take up calcium, and this is the result of it. That's called blossom end rot. So you want to make sure you keep your calcium level at its optimum level once you start getting tomatoes on your plant. And make sure it stays moist. This right here is a clone I put in the ground about 6 or 7 days ago. It's growing nicely. And this right here is my banana plant. Yeah, buddy, looking good. Look at it right there, looking extra tropical. And I got it in my own little mix that I made using fish. Be looking out for that video, how to fertilize a plant with a fish. So check that out right there. That's growing really good. Now let's go take a look at my garden next to my porch. Alright, this is what it looked like before I got it together and tilled it up. And this is what it looked like after I tilled it and turned over the ground and used the spade to till it over and everything. And now we have what I planted. I have right here, I have some cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 cucumber plants. Here I have I have some broccoli. And some of them died after I transplanted them. You know, it was a really hot day today, and I was at work pretty much all day, so I didn't have a chance to water them. And over here at the end I have some more tomato plants. And we out of here, peoples. If you want to learn how to grow peppers just like these, check back each week for all that the Ghetto Gardener has to offer.
All my bitches know that I'm a dog. All these niggas know a nigga shiesty. You gon' respect it, you ain't gotta like me. I hope my son grow up just like me.